You were there. Someone was talking. And then they stopped. And they looked at you. And you had nothing. No words. Just silence. Maybe you smiled. Maybe you said, "Yeah," very quietly. Maybe you felt a little nervous. This happens to a lot of people. But today, I'll give you simple words for that moment. Imagine this. A friend tells you something sad. Or a coworker shares news you didn't expect. Or someone asks you something and you just freeze. In English, that moment of quiet can feel very uncomfortable. You don't want to say the wrong thing. So sometimes you say nothing at all. But silence is okay, for a few seconds. After that, a few simple words can help a lot. Here are natural, simple things you can say. When someone shares something difficult. "I'm really sorry to hear that. That sounds really hard. I don't know what to say, but I'm here." When you need a moment to think. "Let me think about that for a second. That's a good question, I'm not sure yet." When you want to show you're listening. "I hear you. That makes sense. Wow. I didn't know that." When you don't understand and need more time. "Can you tell me more? What do you mean exactly?" Most learners say, "I don't know." And they stop. That's fine. But it can feel a little cold. Instead, try adding one small thing after. "I don't know, but I really want to understand. I don't know what to say, I just want you to know I care." You don't need perfect words. You just need honest ones. In English, honesty sounds better than silence. Even saying, "I don't have the right words right now," that is enough. Practice. Let's try together. I give you a situation. You respond. Situation 1, your friend says, "I've been feeling very lonely lately." You say, "I'm really sorry. I didn't know. I'm here for you." Situation 2, your coworker says, "I got some bad news today." You say, "Oh no. I'm really sorry to hear that." Situation 3, someone asks you a question and you need time. You say, "Let me think about that for a second." That was good. Simple. Honest. Human. Conclusion. You don't need to say something perfect. You just need to say something real. A few honest words, said quietly and calmly, can mean everything to someone. Practice one phrase this week. Just one. Use it when you feel that quiet moment coming. Which phrase felt the most natural to you? Write it in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next lesson.